As we've heard, this is the first debate on the Climate and Energy Framework 2030 will be held next week. And this is the time when we need to be ambitious on climate change, because the need to cut emissions is becoming more urgent to avoid dangerous levels of global warming. We need binding targets for energy efficiency as well as for increasing renewable energy. We have to listen to the science and the evidence. The Commission's own research shows that higher targets result in reduced dependence on energy imports and on savings on health spending. This is not just an environmental argument, but an economic one. Creating jobs is essential, particularly for young people. We need sustainable employment in the energy sector. I know from my own constituents in Wales that they look to the EU for leadership. We need to keep our promises to the people that we will work effectively to combat climate change, and I urge the Council to meet the challenge.